Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to take a screenshot on Vivo X200 FE or Pro. If you're using Vivo X200 FE or Pro and now you want to take a screenshot on your phone, so let's see how can you do this. You have some different ways. The first way is that you just have to scroll down your control panel and you will get a screenshot just like this. Just tap on it and after that this type window will appear. You just have to select screenshot and it will take a screenshot of your screen. Just the second way, just open your settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. From here, you just have to look for super screenshot or screenshot. Just select it and you will get the setting of this type, which is capture screenshot. You just have to enable it first and then read the description. Here is swipe down with 3 fingers to take a quick screenshot. So let's try this. Just go back. Now swipe down with 3 fingers and it will take a screenshot just like this. And after that, there's a third way. You just have to open your settings again and go for shortcuts and accessibility. Here you will get easy touch. Just tap on it and then you must have to enable it. After that, you will get this type icon. You just have to tap on it when you want to take a screenshot, and here you will get the screenshot option. Just tap on it and it will take a screenshot of your screen. So that's how you can easily take screenshot on your Vivo X200 FE or Pro. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.